Sometimes the best moments don't make the headlines.
Yeah, right here
In the ordinary days. Sunday morning coffee brewing, sunlight through the window moving. No big plans, nowhere to be, just enjoying simplicity.
children laughing down the hall.
It's a moments that's not all.
Funny how the years go by,
Chasing things money can't buy.
walk together after rain, talking to the joy and pain, sitting on the veranda late, watching evening hesitate.
Nothing fancy, nothing grand, just your fingers in my hand. And somehow that's enough for me. That's where I find peace. We spend so much time looking ahead,
Running after what comes next,
but life keeps whispering softly. Don't forget this.
these ordinary days,
Turn into memories,
the little things we almost miss,
become our greatest victories.
these ordinary days.
More precious than gold.
One day we'll look back and say,
Those were the days we loved the most. Dinner cooling on the stove, stories only family knows. Laughter filling up the room, turning houses into homes.
pictures hanging on the wall, capturing moments big and small. Never knew I'd living through how much they mean to me and you.
Life moves fast, faster every year.
That's why I wanna hold this near.
Not someday,
Right now, these ordinary days,
turn into memories,
the little things we almost miss,
become our greatest victories.
these ordinary days.
More precious than gold.
One day we'll look back and say,
Those were the days we loved the most.
na 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 na.
Not every blessing comes with applause.
Not every treasure shines
Sometimes heaven hides its miracles.
inside ordinary times. These ordinary days,
We'll cherish everyone,
the conversations and the sunsets,
the moon and the morning sun.
these ordinary days,
The story we'll retell
because the simple things we share,
were the things that served us well.
yeah, 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 yeah.
Ordinary days, extraordinary men.